This is my wife, Sima, and her new Glock 27. Yes. Just got it off a gunbroker. What do you think?
It's not bad. I like yours better.